we guide you through how to see your saved passwords in Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser and tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, find and tap Password Manager or simply Passwords. You'll now see a list of all saved accounts. Scroll or use the search bar to find the specific website or app you need. Tap on it, and for security, your phone will ask for verification like Face ID, fingerprints, or device PIN. Once verified, tap the eye icon to reveal the saved password instantly. If you want to copy it, just tap the copy button beside it. This works the same across iPhone, Android, and Samsung devices. Though layout may slightly vary, always make sure your device is secure before accessing saved passwords and avoid doing this on shared or public phones.